Hi, I'm Mr. Deepas from Mirzapur.
Hello, sir. I'm Swati Pandit from Mirzapur.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir.
And are you ready?
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Please introduce yourself.
Sir, thank you for giving me this opportunity. I'm Swati. I'm a student. I'm from Mirzapur. That's all.
And what are you doing at this time?
Sir, I'm pursuing M.Com from the GD Binani PG College.
And you from Mirzapur?
Yes, I'm from. Sir, this is from Mirzapur.
And what do you want in future?
Sir, I want to be a probationary officer. Yes.
And what do you like in spare time? If you have time, what will you do?
Sir, I like to listening music.
You like listening music?
Yes, sir.
It means you are killing your time? Yeah,
No,
you are
sir.
listening song for entertainment.
No, sir. I'm
Yeah.
not killing my time. If I just leave my studies and want to just be freshened up, so that's why
You don't feel boring while doing study?
No, sir. I don't feel.
But many students say that, sir, I don't like study because it's
Sir,
a boring system.
So, sir,
Yeah.
this is their routine. How can they handle their studies? I just change the.
And how you handle your study?
Sir, I handle my studies very smoothly.
Very smoothly.
Yes.
Don't take action.
No, sir.
Yeah.
My studies I take study.
Yeah.
Then I am very serious about my studies. I just have to.
But now at this time you are taking online class, offline class,
Sir, I'm
you are
taking-
self-study.
So I am taking online classes and after taking my online classes I have to.
But now at this time online class have become trend, like a fashion.
No,
That's
sir.
why you like too much.
No, sir. This is not reason I like to.
What's the reason that you like online
Sir,
class, not like
because,
offline class?
Because online classes, if I have to learn about any topic, I have lots of material. I have to learn.
Yeah,
lots
offline
of-
class teacher also providing.
No, sir.
What's opening up? No, sir.
No, sir.
I think it's a trend in the
It's
modern
my
time.
interest, sir. Because if I have to learn anything, any topic, if I do not know the
Yeah.
even single teacher, then I have lots of platforms to know that.
And what's the qualification?
Sir, I have completed my graduation
From which college?
from the GD Binani PG College, Mirzapur.
And what's passing year?
Sir, my passing percentage.
Yeah, passing year.
Passing year is 2025.
Intermediate from?
Sir, intermediate from GD from Gunatak Inter
And
College.
what's the stream? Science, art, commerce?
Sir, my stream is commerce.
Commerce.
Yes, sir.
And which subject you like too much?
Sir, I like English very much.
You like English
Yes,
very much?
yes, sir. It's my
English is
interest.
not everything. Why it's saying that I like
Sir,
English very
English
much?
is not everything, but
Yeah.
it's my interest from my childhood.
Yeah.
I want to read English, I want to learn English, I want to speak English, and
Yeah.
English is my favorite subject. In my class 10, I have got 9.
You like listening, reading, writing, and speaking. What do you like?
Sir,
There are four language
yes,
skill.
Yes, sir.
Which skill you like too much? Like listening, speaking, reading, or writing?
Speaking, sir.
You like speaking.
Yes,
You don't
sir.
like reading, writing, listening.
No, sir, reading, writing is listening, but as
Yeah.
much I like my speaking skills
Yeah.
than I compare to my writing.
If you want to speak English
Yes, sir.
without guideline, without environment, without teacher,
Yes.
how to be possible to speak English?
No, sir, without environment, according to me, you have material,
Yeah.
but you
Now
have.
many students saying that, sir, my English in my pocket, I have much more materials, but I don't speak any line because of my fear,
Sir, I have also.
because of lack of confidence.
Sir, I have also learned lots of material, but
Yeah, why
I
not
also
speak English?
I also came here because I lack of.
You coming here?
Yes, sir.
So what's the reason you are saying that I have material, so I
Sir,
will
because
speak English?
there is a lack of environment at
Yeah.
my home,
You create your own environment in your family,
I
with
can,
your family members.
sir, I
talk.
can create my environment, but no one is in my family is.
Your Sanskriti Pandey is also student, has been student of
She,
this coaching.
sir, she is preparing
She
for.
speaks so many English, why not?
Yes, sir, she is preparing for UPSC, but I didn't take. She wanted to teach me, but.
Now, how many days you pass here?
Sir, 20 days.
You are student of only 20 days.
Yes, sir.
It's a wonderful progress.
Yes, sir.
Before 20 days class,
Yes, sir.
before 20 days, what was your condition? Can you
Sir,
tell me?
according to me, I am
Yeah.
improving myself very well.
Very well,
Yes,
yeah.
sir. It's my confidence because I have much more material, but I have some hesitation, lack of awareness to speak in English. That's the reason I came here. But you push me, and everyone give me very good environment.
Yeah.
That's why I can.
And I miss you are comfortable in coaching.
Yes, sir. Yes, I am. very
100%.
Yes, sir.
You don't mind anything that the students are not good here,
No, sir. I.
behaving not very well.
No, sir. I
Yeah.
don't care anyone of the student.
You don't care of teacher also?
No, sir. I care of
You are saying that I don't care anyone?
No, sir. What
Yeah.
this person are saying about
Yeah.
me, myself, I want to care about myself. What I am speaking, what I am improving in myself.
Yeah, yeah.
That's
What's the
what-
improvement?
Sir,
You
I-
can see me.
Yeah,
You
yes.
can see me. This is my improvement.
Sir, this is yes,
Don't
sir.
feel fear.
Yes, sir. I am
You are
not.
talking to me.
Yes, sir. Why I am?
Don't panic.
why I am
Don't panic.
feeling
Don't
fear?
panic.
No,
Don't
sir.
panic.
I am not panic, sir.
Why?
How can you say that I am?
How can you say that I'm not?
Sir, I am getting panic. How can you say that?
100%.
I am talking to you very comfortably.
Comfortable?
Yes, sir.
I think you feel fear.
No, sir.
Okay, nice to talk to you.
Thank you,
Swati,
sir.
nice to talk to you.